Welcome to Best Choice. The best hardwood floor mop is probably one of the most essential tools for maintaining the beauty and longevity of your hardwood floors. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of hardwood floor mops, exploring different types, features, and cleaning solutions to help you find the perfect match for your home and cleaning needs. Get ready to discover the secrets to sparkling clean hardwood floors. Number 5. O-Cedar EasyWring Spin Mop. Introducing the O-Cedar EasyWring Spin Mop. This innovative design features a built-in wringer for hands-free operation. The splash guard keeps water contained, making cleaning easier and cleaner. The microfiber mop head is machine washable and reusable. For best results, replace the mop head every 3 months. This helps ensure optimal cleaning performance. This mop uses advanced microfiber to capture dirt and grime effectively. It works with just water, eliminating the need for harsh chemicals. It's safe for all hard floor surfaces. The patented triangle mop head rotates 360 degrees, allowing it to reach tight spaces. It easily cleans corners, under furniture, and along baseboards. This design ensures a thorough clean. Each EasyWring microfiber refill lasts up to 3 months. This offer includes 1 refill, saving you time and money. It's a convenient and cost-effective solution. The telescopic handle extends up to 48 inches, providing comfortable use for anyone. This feature allows you to adjust the handle to your preferred height. It's designed for ease of use. This microfiber mop attracts and locks in dirt, dust, and pet hair. It works wet or dry for mopping or dusting. This mop removes over 99% of bacteria with water. What we like? This mop features a hands-free wringing system, making floor cleaning a breeze. The machine-washable mop head saves you time and money. If you have a busy lifestyle and want an efficient cleaning solution, you should consider this. What people say. The microfiber head picks up dirt and dust perfectly, and it's easy to rinse and spin out. The spinning mechanism to drain the water is super fun to use. It's held up beautifully through countless mopping sessions, and a few spills, pet messes, and muddy kid footprints. The spin wringer still works just as smoothly as day one, and I love how easy it is to control how wet or dry the mop head is. Number 4. Wet spray mop with refillable bottle and pads. This spray mop is incredibly easy to use. Simply fill the bottle, spray, and mop. It works well even when the pad is dry, and the rotating head makes it easy to reach any area. The mop head has excellent absorption, so there are no streaks or puddles left behind. It leaves your floors clean and spotless after each use. Forget about heavy buckets and cumbersome mops. This lightweight design makes mopping easier than ever. It's so easy, even a child can do it. This spray mop is built to last. It features a sturdy pole and a mop head made of impact-resistant plastic. The high-quality aluminum alloy pole ensures long-term use. The package includes the mop, a refillable bottle, 3 microfiber mop pads, and a scraper. If you have any questions, please contact us immediately. We are here to help. What we like? This spray mop is incredibly easy to use, requiring no batteries, just fill and spray. It leaves no watermarks, ensuring a streak-free clean. If you are looking for a simple and effective way to clean your floors without the hassle of buckets, you should choose this. What people say. The refillable 14-ounce bottle is super convenient. I can mix up my own cleaning solution, which saves money and smells way better than the store-bought stuff. It also came with 2 washable microfiber pads that are easy to throw in the wash and reuse, which I love because I'm not constantly buying replacements. It works well on our hardwood and laminate floors, but I've also used it on tile and it did a great job picking up dust, crumbs, and even tougher spots once I sprayed. Number 3. Bona Hardwood Floor Spray Mop Premium. Tired of complicated cleaning routines? This spray mop makes cleaning a breeze. You just spray and mop, saving you time and effort. The mop features a refillable cartridge. You can easily refill it with your favorite Bona floor cleaner or sustainable concentrate. This mop leaves your floors sparkling. The residue-free, fast-drying solution gently removes dirt, leaving your floors clean and beautiful. It's formulated with your family and the environment in mind. The formula is water-based, biodegradable, and free of harsh chemicals. The formula is made with plant-derived ingredients. It meets US EPA standards and is Safer Choice certified, meaning it's safer for everyone. Worried about damaging your floors? This mop is safe for all unwaxed, unoiled, polyurethane finished wood floors. It protects your floor from discoloration. This mop is built to last. It has a durable and lightweight design with features like flexible rubber corners and a retractable hook for easy storage. What we like? This mop offers a quick and easy cleaning experience with its spray and mop design. It features a refillable cleaner cartridge, allowing you to use your favorite Bona cleaner. If you like a product that is safe for your hardwood floors and provide the residue-free clean, you should consider this. What people say. Works well and easy to use. Easy to maneuver and comes with the solution you should use. Makes it easy and safe for my floors. The pad both cleans and dries the wood pretty fast, and there's no discernible residue, stickiness, left behind. The mop is lightweight yet sturdy. Easy to change the reservoir and to wash the pad. It's super easy to assemble and use. Just fill the included cartridge with the cleaning solution, and you're ready to go. The spray is nice and even, and the microfiber pad does a great job picking up dust, dirt, and grime without leaving streaks. I especially love the dual-zone cleaning design. It definitely helps me clean faster and more efficiently. The handle feels sturdy, and the fact that the pad is machine washable is a huge bonus. Number 2. Beyoco Microfiber Spray Mop for Floor Cleaning. This mop features an upgraded sealed reservoir. It has an enhanced responsive trigger, solving the leakage issue. This makes floor cleaning easy and simple. The extended pole means you don't need to lean over. Made of high-quality ABS material and a high-hardness aluminum rod, it feels comfortable. You only need to press the trigger to get the water mist. The 360 degrees rotating mop head reaches every corner. It's ideal for eliminating dirt on walls, windows, and under furniture. It helps bring you a tidy environment. This mop comes with 3 washable microfiber pads. They can be quickly switched out. The microfiber pads easily absorb dirt and dust. Fill the 400 milliliters bottle with water and add your favorite cleaning solution. It's ready to shine your floors. It's normal if there's a small amount of water inside the pipe, as it was tested before packaging. The mops are brand new and tested before shipping. Don't fill the bottle with strong detergents. Dilute thick cleaning solutions with water. Clean the bottle and nozzle after use. Beyoco spray mops are 100% brand new. If the product is used, please contact us immediately. What we like? This mop features an upgraded sealed reservoir to prevent leakage. The premium long handle means you don't need to bend over. If you like a mop that is easy to maneuver and reaches every corner of your house, you should consider this. What people say. Firstly, this is a great bargain for a Swift-type mop that addresses some of the issues with brands like Swiffer, including not requiring disposable tanks and disposable pads. The manual trigger spray is also more powerful and controllable than the electric sprayers I have used. Was easy to assemble and the pads do a good job at cleaning. Number 1. Bissell SpinWave Corded Spin Mop Cleaner 20393. This powerful corded spin mop removes tough messes effortlessly. It features 100% machine-powered scrubbing pads to make cleaning easier. It is safe for all sealed floors. This mop protects wood, tile, and linoleum while lifting sticky spills and dried stains. The press button dispenser delivers formula exactly where needed. You won't waste any solution with this feature. The EasyGlide swivel head cleans under furniture and around baseboards without bending. It is lightweight and easy to maneuver. The system includes 6 washable pads and 3 travel size formulas. You can get 6 complete cleaning sessions with this product. What we like? This corded spin mop provides deep cleaning without scrubbing. It is safe for all sealed floors, protecting your floors. If you are looking for a powerful and efficient cleaning solution, you should consider it. What people say. It is super easy to use and does not cause pain flares in my arms. That's a huge win in my book. It cleans my floors really well with no leftover residue or dull-looking wood. It is also light enough to easily carry upstairs for cleaning. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.